So years ago, I don't know if any of you heard, but there's some of you old skippers remember, there was talk of 2 670 motors being put together to make a 4-cylinder, 2-stroke. Heard about it, rumored about it. Well, guess what? I just happen to have one for you today. So you can imagine my surprise that I almost pissed my pants when cousin Dean from Mad Motorsports called me up and said he had one in his shop. It is nothing like a Yamaha 4-stroke. This thing is insane and it is super loud.
So anyway, yeah, 2 full mod 670 engines put together. Crankshop pipes, Crankshop 52 mil carbs.
What are we looking at for horsepower?
About 348 is what this was dynoed at.
Must have torque like crazy.
A little bit, yeah. A little bit much to hang on to. It's rumored that it's never made a full pass under full power because nobody could really hang on to it that long.
So these motors aren't welded together. Like the case halves are not welded together. So they're just kind of bolted almost together.
Correct, yeah.
Right?
The adapter plate, right? 2 separate ignition, 2 separate CDIs.
Well, one for each motor.
Correct, 2 separate coils.
So each motor's still running independent of each other almost.
They are, yeah.
Right?
There's no common crankcase.
That's cool.
They're timed independently, but they're timed to run together. So.
I bet not too many people have seen that thing before. You want to see this beast run? Make sure you turn up your volume because it is sick. She needs spray. Fury racing fuel yet. Come here. Woo! Monster. Well, that's quiet. That's awesome. Woo, that's some cool shit. Oh my God, is that loud?
Are you wearing earplugs, buddy? What?
Are you wearing earplugs? You should be. Dean figures there's probably 3 of these built. 3, maybe 4. 3 he knows of. So as far as rare goes, it's pretty damn rare. Especially to see it run. I mean, there's been lots of motors built over the years, but how many actually run? So if you guys ever want to know what 2 engines sound like on a snowmobile, that's it.